Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to generate a voice using AI. Here you can go and type 11 Labs. This one is the powerful AI tool that lets you generate any type of voice in different languages. Let me have some text here, and now let me remove this one. Add here new text. And here you can see these are different options that you can select. Then select your desired language. After that, click on play button.
Create a high converting social media video ad for Enable Web.
So guys, in this way you can easily generate voice for your text, and after that click here download button so that you can easily save this voice in your laptop.